Stevie and Carmine. Hey guys, I'm about to make some chicken. I think I'm gonna put it in some tortillas. Got some seasonings from Peru from my mother-in-law, so I'm gonna see what I can spice up. And then later my mother-in-law will be over and we'll do something with the kids. But for now I'm gonna make some lunch. Maybe Renzo will come home on his between his jobs and eat. Because all I gave him was a salad and carrots for lunch today because I didn't cook yesterday. This guy's making a mess as always. I'm cleaning the living room now that Renzo fixed my vacuum. And then I gotta fold some laundry, do Mel's laundry. It never ends, guys. Never ends. Right? What are you doing? Me.
Yeah,
well, Mommy's gonna be cleaning up the living room.
I
so.
almost cried, but I braved.
Aww.
Is this little Melly stuff?
Yeah. You wanna take your shoes off?
Mommy, when Melly does come home, can I put this on her?
Her head's too tiny.
That's for
chicken is cooking up. Smells delicious. With these seasonings. Oh, this fun laundry to do over here. Mel's clothes are in the dryer. I got most of my laundry done. I have to do this stuff right here. Like I said, Mel's clothes I just threw in the dryer. Carson's taking a nap. I fell asleep next to him for a little bit. If you could tell, my makeup's a little messy on this side. I was just tired. Yeah, you could see it on my arm because I was like, I was tired. I didn't sleep last night. I was exhausted. So I am going to do these clothes. Renzo should be here soon. And then I'll warm up his lunch for him. I'm just so tired, guys. And the lunch was delicious. So delicious. I put it in a tortilla wrap. And it was rice, chicken, and black beans. So yummy. Almost done. Still got a little bit to go. But so Renzo will be here soon, so I'm gonna go warm up his food so it's ready for him when he gets home. And then I just have to finish everything in a little bit. It just never ends. What are you cooking in the microwave?
Oreo. Okay.
Where did you learn this? Oh my gosh, it's making a noise.
Okay, now you just have to get it out, Mommy. And then you put it out.
Okay, hold on.
Put it out. I want to taste it.
I was making a noise in my microwave.
It just did.
Oh.
I want to do it.
Hold on.
Okay, that's hot. That's hot.
It's really hot, yeah.
What, the cream?
Mm-hmm. It's just like melted cream.
Is it what the Oreo looks like?
How do you cook it in the microwave?
Wow. Careful.
It's like pure. It's like
It's warm. It's warm.
Okay, careful.
Mm.
I'm back from my neighbors and the kids had a great time. They're passed out. And I'm editing this vlog for you guys. So I'm going to edit that, upload it, and wait for Renzo to get home. So thanks guys for watching today's vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell for more updates from our channel. Bye guys.